Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour of my apartment at Flamingo Crossing. I'm in a 4x2, which means 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I'm gonna give you a tour of my bedroom because my bathroom has literally nothing in it. And the common space is kind of just like a mess because I have roommates moving out this Thursday. So I'm gonna give you a tour of my room and I hope you enjoy. So when you first open the door, right over here I have this Mickey and Minnie key hanger thing. It's where I have this lanyard of pins, and I have my ID for Disney, and then this chapstick, this keychain of Ham because Ham is so funny, and an umbrella. That's over here. I don't really have anything here right now, but I don't know if I'll put something there, but over here I have my pins. I have my celebrating one, a bunch of pins to trade. This one is my home location, Canada. I'm gonna probably keep that. And this is the pin we got at Traditions. It's kind of like special to this year, I guess they were saying. So yeah. And then over here I have my mirror. Yeah, we love that. It's kind of dirty, whatever. I have a card from my family friends. It's so cute inside. Love it. This is just my Flamingo Crossings card. Irrelevant. I got this at Cast Connections. It's a Disney Cruise Line 2020. I don't know what it is. It's only 99 cents, but it's like a cool little thing, I guess. I don't know. This is my magnetic Winnie the Pooh that I'm gonna put on the fridge later. My scissors match. Mickey Mouse mug. This is a photo thing, Spotify, that I made. That's Brittany from Big Brother and Tommy from Big Brother. Love them so much. This is the card that, whoa. This is the envelope that the card came in. I think it's so cute. It's got a little Mickey on the back. This is my Figment popcorn bucket. We love it. It's got little sunglasses on. And this I got at the welcome event. This is my little Winnie the Pooh. This is my little Winnie the Pooh sign thing with all the characters. It's so cute. I got this at the welcome event too. It goes in your finger, and I think it's really stupid, but I love stupid stuff. And Winnie the Pooh chapstick. It smells like honey. We love it. And then over here we have Ham. Yes, I have a photo of Ham in my room because it's hilarious. Ham is the best Toy Story character. There's no arguing with that. And then over here I have a little sign that says, always remember you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. Winnie the Pooh, because I love Winnie the Pooh so much. Okay, so after that sign, we come here. This wall is pretty empty right now because I'm gonna put something over there eventually. I don't know what yet, but I have these like lights that kind of go in like a square because I think that's kind of fun. Up here we have this R. That's from my dorm room back in college, and I put it on my wall. I got this shelf thing. You can like hook things on here too, but I don't really have a need for it. And I have my shoulder Remy. This Emil Mobile, oh my god, it's a wishable. I'm obsessed with it. This, I forget what these things are called. Funko Pops, whatever, of Remy. To go with the Remy. And then my Winnie the Pooh that I won in a claw machine like a long time ago. But yeah, little hanging shelf. I kind of want to get another one, but I don't know what to put on it yet. And then these lights kind of going around. And then we have my bed. I love my bed so much. I have these little vines that go above my bed because I think it's kind of cool. This is my weighted Winnie the Pooh. He weighs like 3 pounds and I'm obsessed. My Mickey Mouse pillow, my other Winnie the Pooh, my rhino that I randomly got at Animal Kingdom this summer because why not? My little pillow pet, my neck pillow, and then yeah, my pillows are right there. And there's my phone because whatever. Yeah, so on my side table I have my green cup, my glasses case, which looks like Minnie Mouse, I think it's funny, hand sanitizer, this photo of my sisters and I when we went to Disney this summer, and then this is just my glass of water. It has Winnie the Pooh on it because I love Winnie the Pooh. And then we get over here. This is the view from my window. I can kind of see the fireworks sometimes. I think it's literally a perfect view. Palm trees and everything. I have my random pack of gum, blue light glasses, tissues, and I have my Tsum Tsums. Aren't they just the cutest? Love my Tsum Tsums. Okay, hey guys, so here we have my closet slash, what's the word? Mirror, that's what it is. It's a mirror. It's 2 mirrors, actually. And then over here I have, it's kind of messy right now, I think. Over here I have my clothes, and then my dresses are back there, sweatshirts up there, sweatpants, heels that I wore to traditions. My shoes are down here, but it's kind of a mess because my sweatshirt fell, whatever. Laundry's over there, and then on the other side, I have my costumes, which I just have this right now. Look at my name tag, guys. Isn't it so perfect? I love it. And then I have my pants for my costume up there. Gotta keep them looking nice. This thing is kind of just random. You just put stuff in it. I don't have a need for it yet, but yeah. Over here we have my ear wall. I love my ear wall. I only have 6 right now, but that collection is going to grow. I have my Fantasia ones, Mickey Mouse ones. I got both of these on Etsy. I got this one on Etsy as well, Winnie the Pooh. This is from Halloween back in like 2013, I want to say. These are my Mickey waffles. Got them in January, love them. Got these ones in July, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Yeah, and over here I have my Winnie the Pooh lounge fly. Love it, got it on eBay. eBay has the best lounge flies, guys. And then these are just the costumes I have to return tomorrow because they don't fit. So, yeah. And then this is just my bag that I'm gonna be bringing to work. So yes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, little room tour moment. We love that. I'm starting training this week, so I'm really excited to be going into the park and doing my job, working Canada merchandise. Yes, love that. So more content will be coming soon. Once I get my free entry pass for the parks, I will be doing a lot of park vlogs, a lot of trying different foods, trying wait times, you know, stuff that like I already was posting, but like 10 times better because I'm gonna know all the insides, scoop and everything, if that's what you want to call it. I'm gonna be spending so much time at the parks and the resorts and everything, so stay tuned for more content. I can't wait for you guys to meet my friends. They're lovely. I'm already making friends, guys. Can you believe it? But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram, rachsmagicalmoments, for updates. And yeah, have a great day.